Hey, what's up world? My name is Jeremy and I own Buy This Tumbler, Buy This Decal, and Buy This Content. Real quick, follow us everywhere. Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. If you want some quick tips and tricks on how to apply your decal successfully so it doesn't peel off or bubble, follow along this video. Hey guys, just want to give you a quick guide on how to get the best application possible when you get your decal in the mail. Okay, so when you get your decal, open it up, and every single one of our orders comes sandwiched with a little bit of extra paper to keep it from getting creased in the mail. Take a quick look at this when you get your order. It'll tell you all of our how to find us on all the social media, the links to each of our Etsy shops, because we do decals, tumblers, coasters, as well as digital content that you can download instantly. There's also a little discount code with free shipping as always on our Etsy shops. So this right here is our Thug Life Baby on Board, one of our many baby on board options that we sell. So the first thing you want to do is grab a credit card, or I like to use the little actual applicator that I have, but a credit card will work fine. Use the corner of your credit card, and you're just going to do a quick once over on all the surfaces. Okay. See? Don't mind it if you accidentally pop the edge up like that and you put a little crease in it, it's all right. Okay, it's not gonna hurt a thing. Next, flip it over. Do the same thing on the back side. So what you want to do is get the vinyl to press against the transfer paper so that it comes off of the backing paper or the backing plastic. Okay. So you want to press it all the way around. And you want to use the corner instead of the edge because it puts more pressure in a concentrated spot. Okay. All right, so that should be good. Really pay attention to the little pieces. Okay, these little pieces are the ones that are the most difficult to get to apply, especially if you're in a cold area. You really don't want to do this unless it's at least 50 degrees outside. But I mean, if you don't have the ability to put it on in warm weather, you should be all right. Just, you know, bear in mind that you need to go a little slower because the plastic gets a little stiffer and a little more difficult to apply when it's cold. Okay, so that's it, and then we'll go outside to do the actual application and prep for the surface. Once you've got the place that you want to install it, you need to first clean the area. I just use Windex. Make sure the glass is nice and clean. Okay, nice and dry. Windex is the best because it dries quickly. See, it's cold out, so it's having a hard time drying, but that's okay. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your decal, you're gonna peel the back off, but you have to peel it at about a 45-degree angle, but straight back. If you peel it up, you're gonna lift the little pieces off, and you want this backing to come off completely. So you hold the one down, and just so you can tell, this is the right side up, this is the back side, right? So I got it flipped over upside down. I'm gonna peel the backing off like this. You're just gonna go nice and slow, watching as the plastic comes up that none of the little pieces get stuck on there, okay? And if they do get stuck on there and come off, you just back it back up, give it a little rub with your finger like that, and then try it again. All right. Best way I find to do it, whether you have a decal that's vertical or horizontal, is just potato chip it like this, okay? And then you're just going to roll it up and then grab credit card, squeegee, whatever it is, start from the middle and go out. Go out. From the center out, okay? And then again, with the corner of your credit card or the corner of your squeegee for the most concentrated pressure, just go all the way around, okay? Especially the little pieces, okay? Once you've got this installed, I would give it another 24 hours minimum before you wash it. If you're in a colder area, I would honestly wait several days before washing it or getting it wet if you can help it, just because you want it to adhere really well. It might even not be a bad idea if you're in a really cold area to get a blow dryer or a heat gun, give it about
5-10 seconds or so. You don't want to melt it, but you do want to make it adhere really well. So before you peel this backing off, heat it up a little bit, and then just give it another wipe, okay? Same way that you did the first sheet, you're gonna do the second one. So you're gonna peel the corner, and you're just gonna go down flat, not up, straight back across the surface, right? And you go nice and slow, watching, because if it starts to peel up the pieces, you just do it again. If it starts peeling up, you just back it up. Use your fingernail. If you need to, just grab little pieces, little spot checks, and just keep rolling it. See, I'm just pushing against the glass. I go at an angle because I find that it peels better away from these little pieces and these letters than if you were to go straight up against one of the straight edges. You go at an angle so that way everything kind of comes off nice and smooth. And then let's just do that for good measure. You really don't have to. That's it.